everyone, Yoda the dog here, and today it's Chef Yoda the dog because it's our Monday meal day, and my mom just sort of made something up on her own. She looked up online how long to cook frozen chicken breasts in the slow cooker, and it said 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. So she chose 4 hours on high because she had jury duty this morning. She said that's where you have to go and sit for several hours and hope you don't get picked. And she didn't get picked, so it's all good. So she had jury duty this morning and had to wait till this afternoon when she got home to work on the recipe. So she chose 4 hours on high for this meal, and she put some chicken breasts in there, and then she put a bottle of barbecue sauce that she got from Primal Kitchen, and she'll show it to you in the video. He just poured that all over the chicken breasts, and in 4 hours they were done, and they look and smell delicious. So just wanted to let you know this is an easy one, just one she sort of made up, and it turned out pretty good. And she said she's going to make some vegetables as sides to go with it. But this one's pretty easy. You can watch her cook it here after I get done talking. And she said that she was happy not to have been picked for jury duty. So, yay, when Mama's happy, Yoda gets extra treats. All right, well, you guys have a great Monday. Enjoy the recipe. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, here is our Monday meal for today. As Yoda said, I just kind of made this one up. So basically, I put in chicken breasts that are frozen into a slow cooker that I'm putting on high. Basically, you cook it for about 4 hours for frozen chicken breasts. And then I sprayed the slow cooker with olive oil, and then I poured on this whole bottle of golden barbecue sauce, organic and sweetened from Primal Kitchen. So that is the seasoning. And we're going to make some side dishes to go with it, but you can serve it with whatever you like. But this is going to be our barbecue frozen chicken. Set on high, 4 hours. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, it has been 4 hours on high with my frozen chicken breasts in the slow cooker. The barbecue sauce on them, and they are done. You can see I've cut them open just to make sure. But they are done. They may have been done even sooner than 4 hours, but they're fine. They're juicy, they taste delicious. So that's easy and something I just concocted on my own. Not too hard. All right, hope you guys have a great Monday meal.